We're making Japanese sweet potatoes today. A great, delicious recipe. Very good for you. It's a very nutrient-dense food.
Why did it start? How did it happen? I never meant for this to be. But your heart yielded to my openness.
Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good. So welcome back to my channel. And as I mentioned, we are making Japanese sweet potatoes today. And it's not the most beautiful food. It's a potato, right? So they're not very beautiful, but it's very tasty and it's really good to you. So it has a lot of really great nutrients in it. And also I was reading up about how it has a special starch in it that after cooking it, if you allow it to cool, it actually helps you to lose weight. So do some research on that. I'm not going to be pitching weight loss techniques, but this is something that is good. And if you have interest in that, let me know in the comments. We can make something happen. All right, so stay tuned. I'm making this recipe. It takes about an hour from start to finish. Very simple, and I think you're gonna really like it. So stay tuned. And as always, please remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, give me a thumbs up, and you enjoy what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button. I make videos every week, and I try to post them as promptly as I can. So weekly posts, different recipes, restaurants, goodness, garden, different things going on in my place. A little bit of lifestyle too. So.